This was actually my last trade. The trade I just took, boom, boom 1000. Let me show you something. Boom 1000. See that? Boom 1000. This boom, boom. I had two stakes at once because Binary.com were holding the trade. I had to double it. Okay. So I didn't allow the time of 5 minutes to end before I exited. Why did I exit? I exited because it was very close to my support. You see, they react to both support and resistance. I quickly exited. Look at the boom 1000, look at boom 100 under the 1 minute. You can see it was actually on the support. It reacted quickly. It went up. So it works both on the support and resistance. Okay. If you have a confirmed support or a confirmed resistance, you can use Madam Oriyomi strategy. It's a very nice one. You can use it. Okay. So I combine the support and resistance to my exit point and my entering point. It's very important. Now I'll be looking for an entry on three candles, on 1 minute three candle, to knock 15 US dollars, on 15 on 1 minute 15 US dollars, on 5 minutes about 25 to 30 US dollars. That's how it has been, and this is how I just put my thing. Once again, look at this. I'm not going to trade this. No, not at all. No, you see, I am not. So this is crash 1000. The crash one, look at it. It has been going. It even broke the resistance. It has been going. So you cannot predict. That is why I have to just follow the arrow. Once the arrow pop up, I trade. Before the candle expires, I exit. That's just how I've been doing it. So let's wait for an opportunity. Here, I'm going to be trading here. Now that the ball has popped up, I will be waiting for the arrow anytime from now on boom 1000. So I'm just waiting patiently for this to come up. So once it comes up, I'm going to execute my trade on sell here. So let's see if we're actually going to have the pop-up. If we do, I'm gonna trade. Good. You see that? I've traded, and once I did, I will still set my stop loss even when I know it's I put it. I'll put my stop loss 2 candles after, okay, while I target 3 candles, okay. Then I will go back to my normal view to be able to see what I'm doing. Another opportunity, let's look at boom 500 and see what is obtainable. Boom 500, I'm not going to trade. Why won't I trade? Boom 500 is quite different from boom 1000 in such a way that it moves erratically than 1000. Half 500, 1000. So if boom 1000 moves once in 5 minutes, boom 500 might move twice in 5. It's an example. That's how it is designed. Then look at the support. Look at the support, look at the resistance. They are very close. Look at the two boom. They are very close, just about 5 candles apart. So I'm not going to be trading any pop-up here. I won't, okay? I won't. So let us just watch our trading as it goes under the view, the toolbar, so I will be able to exit quickly. Remember I said it's 3 candles, and mostly it gets to 15 US dollars. Okay. So 1 minute to go. And if you look at this very well, The support is far from the resistance. One, the two previous boom, you can see it has the boom here is far apart from the boom here is far apart from the boom here is far apart from the boom here. So you trade with rest of mind on boom 1000. Let's go to boom 500 and see under the 1 minute. This is close apart. This is too close. You can see it's close, and the support and resistance are too close also. That is why I'm not trading. And also, our trading that is actually going on now. Here, remember, this is almost 3 candles, and we've already made 16, so I will exit. Just it. It's as simple as ABC. Now, look at 234. Like play. Gradually, you are building, making about just $150 every day. We net you above $4,000 in a month. That is above 1 million naira in a month. Making about $100 every day. We net you 3,000 US dollars a month. That is almost 1 million naira a month. It's just thinking outside the box. That's how I see it. I don't know how you view it. Once again, Odayemi Akinyemi will always be my name. Thank you and God bless you. And before I leave, this trading system is actually free for 5 days. Free for 5 days. It has a password, it will be linked to one account, and it has expiration date. So it's after your $50, after the 5 days. If you want to get it, it's either you join the premium for $75 for a whole year, where you get subsequent trading systems for binary option, or you just get this one time purchase, $50 one time purchase, or $75 for a year premium, where you get other trading system. The choice is yours. This is coming from the stable of forexbrokerrecords.com. You can check it out. Odayemi Akinyemi will always be my humble name. Thank you and God bless you. So for today, this is it.